I got SMCI short here with size. Shorted it here, took a loss, went long, took a profit. Shorted it here, took a nice profit, scaled out of most, then let the runner here, got back in on this candle and stopped out here. That was smaller size, was hoping for a swing play. And now I am looking at, it's below VWAP. It's kind of sideways though. It is basing out a little bit, but I'm thinking, hey, let's see if we can get back to the lows here. DPST, I had that as a short, and I flipped long. Since I have this nice little cup breakout here with a squeeze, let's see if it can get back up maybe closer to this anchored VWAP. It seems to be trading in between these two anchored VWAPs here, between here and this one and these two right here. So you have this swing low, which is the bottom here, and then this one here, which is the top. So I'm looking for a test back up to that top. We'll see. But yeah, this SMCI, right now you have, let's look at this. Yep, turned around right here. Let's see. I'm going to bring this down. This app is looking pretty good. Nice little cup and handle. Probably going to buy that. The daily and weekly look, the weekly is looking pretty good. Let's look at the weekly. Yeah, see, and this nice squeeze came right down into this rising moving average. They've got earnings coming up. That looks a little bit, reminds me a little bit of SMCI before it broke out. So that's probably my top long idea. Yeah, this SMCI. Yeah, it's midday. It's just kind of losing momentum either way, going sideways. Probably not a good idea to be in this trade. Tighten up the risk here. IMPS, I traded that. This was the nicest gain of the day right there, that little move. I just have to get out of this trade. Hopefully this one works out, and I'm going to get into this APP. You've got $102 million volume. Let's see. It's finding support right at that anchor VWAP right here from the swing low. So I would expect to see a bounce here. If it breaks that, then potentially back down to the lows here. Down to 1 minute. There we go. See, it broke that anchor VWAP. Now it's back to this one here. This is just a weak stock today. Looking at just today, I mean, probably the strongest stock in the market. The leader of the market, one of the leaders of the market, but just today specifically, it's been pretty weak. I'm definitely going to move my stop right there. If it comes back above this anchor VWAP, then I would be bullish. Well, no, I mean, you could take it as on a 1 minute chart time frame, but this is going to be my last trade with SMTI today. Yep. See, so stopped out. Yeah, took a nice gain out of it, but I probably could have, instead of being greedy and trying for it to come down here, I could have taken it because look, you have buyer step in right there, and it came right back.